The channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you about the job opportunities for testers, for freshers, as well as for experience. And we would be sharing the remote job opportunities as well. So let me share those details with you. So there are requirements in PayPay India company, which is based in Gurgaon, and they are looking for engineering manager, someone who is expert in automation QA and SDIT with the technical mindset with 10 plus years of work experience and minimum of 3 years in people management or leadership profile. Then there's a requirement of SDET in the same company with 8 plus years of experience in automation frameworks. And then there's a requirement for QA engineer automation with a minimum of 3 plus years of work experience. And they need someone who is having experience with the tools such as APM, Selenium, Cucumber, Rest Assured, and proficiency in Java for the automation framework development. Then there is a requirement for QA engineer, and the experience required is 5 plus years. It's a product-based company. They are looking for someone who can perform manual testing of product-based solutions to ensure high-quality standards, design test cases, identify and track defects. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then there's a requirement for a QA manual tester with insurance domain knowledge at Intellect Design Arena Limited. Experience required is 3 to 5 years. Work location is Mumbai, Hyderabad, and you can send your candidature to this email address. There's a requirement for again for QA developer or tester, I would say. Location is Ahmedabad and experience is 3 to 7 years. And this is the email address when you can send your resume. Then there's a requirement for testers at the location Pune. So the company is Satiro Technologies, and they're looking for QA who is having experience from 0.6 months to 1 year of experience. And they need someone who is having practical experience in NetSuite, understanding of manual testing, STLC, familiarity with bug tracking tools, basic knowledge of NetSuite flows. So you have to share your CV to this email address with all these details. If you will not share your details in this manner, then your candidature will be rejected. So that's a clear mentioned post on LinkedIn from the hiring managers. Then there is a remote job for software testers, 5 plus years of experience with expertise in manual and API. Their main focus is on cards, payment, and POS domain experience, and immediate joiner will be preferred. So you can send your CV to this email address with job title in the email subject. And you need to have card insurance and management experience, card authorization and settlement, payment gateways, mobile payment solutions. So these are the experience areas that you would need. EPAM Systems is hiring for immediate joiners. Locations are Bangalore, Pune, Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Chennai. Experience ranges 3 to 9 years. You can send your profiles to this email address. So they are also looking for mass hiring for QA. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.